Hi y'all, CGBeck back with you again. We are going to do a sweet potato pound cake. This is going to be absolutely delicious. And we're adding on the top of it a drizzle, an orange drizzle. So I can't wait. I can't wait for you to see this. All right, hang in there with me. So this is what we're working with. We need 2 cups of sweet potatoes, and I'm pretty sure these 2 super huge sweet potatoes will make 2 cups. All right, and we need 4 eggs. We've got flour, sugar, butter, salt, the orange for the orange drizzle, cinnamon, nutmeg, a grater to grate the skin off of the orange, and we've got a steamer pot because we're steaming these potatoes, not baking them as we normally do. We people who normally eat sweet potatoes definitely bake them, but that's how we're doing it. Okay, so I'm ready for this. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to wash these potatoes, okay? And clean them up really good, and then I'm going to put them in the steamer. And even though we're not using the skin, I don't want the dirt to go from the skin into the potatoes. So, yeah, I'm like that. Very, very finicky. Okay, so let me go on and get that done. And then we'll cut the tips off, and we'll cut the potatoes so that they'll go in and cook faster. So now I'm putting water, or I put water into the steamer pot, put it on the fire, and now I'm going to put the potatoes in there. The sweet potatoes. I've cut them into small enough pieces for all of them to cook evenly. And I'll put the lid on them. And I'm looking at probably about 45 minutes to an hour for them to get soft enough. And then I can just pull the skin right off of them. So no peeling was necessary. So you see why they had to be washed, because otherwise the dirt would be going from the skin into the potatoes. Okay? All right. Let's see. What's next? Oh, I've got my pan out now. So I'm going to go on and grease it and or either spray oil in it and flour it. Prepare it. No sense in waiting. Okay. So I've got my pan ready now. Oh, got the fan on again. Turn that off. Off. Okay, there we go. Now we can hear me. Okay, so I've got my pan ready, a bundt cake pan ready, and so now I'll just start mixing up all of these other ingredients so that once I mash the sweet potatoes, then they'll be ready. I'll be ready to combine everything, and as you can see, they're cooking nicely. See the steam coming out. They should be done probably sooner than I thought. Okay, good. All right, so let me get busy with that. Mixing time. Okay, so I needed some orange zest that is from the peel, excuse me, the peel of the orange. So I've done that, and I'm gonna need some juice. So now I'm gonna have to cut it and squeeze juice because I'm not using juice from orange juice. This is strictly natural. All right, and I've got my eggs in, and I don't know, here's a trick that I don't know if everybody knows this, but in order for your cake to be fluffy, you should always beat your eggs before you mix them into the flour and the sugar and the vanilla and all of that stuff that goes into the cake mix, okay? Just another one of my food tricks. Okay, on to the next step. Okay, I'm working with a cutting board here that doesn't have grippers on the bottom. So, in order to keep this board, which is a smaller board, from sliding around and me possibly cutting my fingers with this dicing knife, I put a wet cloth underneath it, and that keeps it from sliding. So just go ahead and place it, and I'm going to start cutting this orange so that I can get the juice from it. So I'm back. All right, so the sweet potatoes are done. I've done the drizzle, and instead of just doing a smooth drizzle, I decided to blend the pulp in with it. The orange pulp, oh, that's gonna be delicious because it tastes good. Now I've got the eggs and butter here and vanilla ready to go into, once I mash this into the flour here. All right, so, and then the cake pan is ready and the oven is heating up. I'm on a roll here. This is gonna be good. All right, so we've got this batter mixed and in the cake pan ready to go into the oven. And that's the empty bowl. And I have to say, it tastes good. I mean, I normally don't eat the bowl and the beaters, but this is good. So let me go on and put it in the oven. The oven is ready for it. Behold, the sweet potato pound cake, just out of the oven. Ooh, isn't that beautiful? Is that perfectly done? Yes, it is. Woohoo! Dang, girl, you good. You know your stuff when your cakes come out like this. This is a box, a scratch cake, not a box cake. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. Oh, gotta love it. I just thank God that He has given me so many skills. Woo! Okay, so it's got to cool off before I can put the orange drizzle on it. So I needed to cool the cake faster. So I put it in the refrigerator. So, oh goodness, I can still feel the heat coming from it, and I'm not even touching it. So, and that's the only way. I can't put the frosting on it until it cools off. So had to do a quick job of chilling it. Okay, so we're ready for the drizzle now. And this is a sweet potato pound cake. It's very good. I have to get more of the orange. Oh God. That orange may look crazy on it, but it sure do taste good. All right. Is that a crazy looking cake? I love it though. It tastes good. All right. Thank you for watching. I really enjoyed you, and I really enjoyed cooking for you. Enjoy your evening, and bon appetit.